Patrick at Pals, Citation Motorhome. This is really a Mercedes Sprinter chassis. Jim, what are we doing to this thing today?
Well, today it's got a short in the inlet port shut-off valve.
Okay.
Which is basically, it's got runner valves on the intake manifold, which is way down under all this stuff.
You got to take everything off the top of the engine. So the turbo tube needs to come off.
Yeah.
Does the turbo come off or does it stay on?
Hoping I can leave it on.
Okay.
It's just, I got to get down to it.
What have we got right here? What
that is a fuel filter.
That's what I thought. So that's an electric fuel
pressure sensor on it. Yes.
Okay. And then this is the part that we're going to eventually replace.
What's happening is there's a short in the electric motor down in there, which is causing it to blow a ECM fuse and put the truck in a limp mode.
Okay. Okay.
And at the same time, we're going to be replacing the EGR valve because they're notorious for causing the same problem. And it's right there.
And so what does this part do exactly? What is it responsible for?
Well, on this vehicle, a lot of your fuel injected, and well, this is a fuel injected, but it's a diesel. They've got what they call inlet port shutoff valves. They've got, so down in the intake, they've got flaps that'll open and shut, which will change to where the air flows. And usually it's more or less for, especially like on these diesels, it'll close them off and let it warm up, help it to warm up. And it's also got to do with pollution control too. It changes the way that the air flows through the intake.
So it's really a pollution control device that's been developed over the years. So not only do we have the EGR, which is here, but we also have another pollution control device there. And then of course you got the DEF fluid on these vehicles as well.
Yeah.
So if you've got a diesel and it's got a problem, bring it to Pals. We'll go through this and show you how it all comes apart. See you soon.